This is your second stimulus check update and your stimulus package update as of Wednesday, September 9. So the senators have now returned from their 31 days of vacation, and the Senate is going to be back in session until October 9th. After October 9th, the senators go back on vacation for 30 days. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell will be introducing a small Republican stimulus package in the Senate very soon. We don't know the full details yet, but this slimmed down Republican proposal is expected to restore enhanced unemployment benefits through December 27, but halves the amount to $300 per week. It would also provide funding for schools and child care centers, and it would provide a new round of the Paycheck Protection Program and liability protections for businesses. McConnell says that the Senate plans on voting on this bill as early as Thursday. Meanwhile, President Trump wants to use $300 billion of unused funds from the previous stimulus package in order to issue Americans a second stimulus check. The last stimulus package, the CARES Act, cost $2.2 trillion. Within that stimulus package, the stimulus check program cost $300 billion. From the previous stimulus package, the CARES Act, there is approximately $259 billion of uncommitted funds that was dedicated to a Federal Reserve lending program. President Trump said it's money that we haven't spent, and I would love to give it to the American people as a very powerful stimulus. President Trump said that he may be legally able to use that uncommitted money to issue a second stimulus check, but he thinks it's more appropriate if he gets congressional approval. President Trump says it's literally a one-sentence approval from Congress, and then we would get a second stimulus check. In addition to the stimulus package, Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin and Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi need to agree on the government budget to prevent a government shutdown. Last week, they said that they have reached an informal agreement that would keep the government funded for the rest of the year. However, Mnuchin just said that they haven't agreed on the specific details. Mnuchin hopes that they can begin moving forward on that by the end of the week.